Xiaomi Redmi K30, Redmi K30 Pro smartphone pose on render. Internet sources published unofficial renders of the powerful smartphone Xiaomi Redmi K30 and Redmi K30 Pro, the announcement of which is expected early next year, presumably in January. The Redmi K30 will allegedly receive the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor, which has not yet been officially announced. The amount of RAM will be up to 12 GB. The capacity of flash drive is up to 512 GB. The smartphone is credited with the presence of 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 2K and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. The oblong hole in the display is a dual front camera with 36 megapixels and 26 megapixel sensors. In the back of the case, according to the available information, a quad camera will be installed. It will combine sensors with a 64 megapixel, 28 megapixel, 18 megapixel and 8 megapixels. We are talking about 30x digital zoom, optical and electronic stabilization system. According to rumors, the device will be equipped with a 48 mAh battery with support for fast 65-watt recharging and wireless recharging. The smartphone will be able to function in 5G networks. As for the version of Redmi K30 Pro, it will be endowed with a screen that bends to the sides of the case. The changes will probably also affect the camera system. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care, bye bye.